While nobody wants to get sick, it happens to all of us every now and then. The one thing all of these symptoms have in common is that your chances of survival are greatly increased if you act quickly. Something just can't wait until tomorrow or next week. See your doctor today. 1. Chest pain or discomfort in the upper body. Unlike the movies, most people with an heart attack don't suddenly fall to the ground clutching their chest. Symptoms often come on slowly, and people may describe an uncomfortable pressure, squeezing, or pain in the center of the chest that lasts a few minutes or goes away and comes back again. Sometimes the symptoms are felt more in the neck or in an arm. Women may be more likely to experience symptoms such as nausea or vomiting, back or jaw pain, or shortness of breath. 2. The worst headache of your life. Almost one of the world's population has some type of headache disorder. That's a lot of headaches, and trying to sort out dangerous headaches from minor headaches is a challenge faced by a physician every day. But there are few red flags or warning signs that should be taken seriously even if you suffer from headaches regularly. 3. Drooping or weakness down one side of the body. Every year, about 7,95,000 Americans suffer a new or recurrent stroke. That's about one stroke every 40 seconds. A person's chances of survival after a stroke are greatly improved if somebody recognizes their symptoms quickly. FAST is an easy way to remember the sudden signs of stroke. F. Face drooping. Does one side of the face droop or feel numb? Is the person's smile uneven? A. Arm weakness. Is one arm weak or numb? Does one arm drift downward when both are raised? S. Speech difficulty. Is speech slurred? Can they correctly repeat a simple sentence like the sky is blue? T. Time to call ambulance. Note the time and get help fast if someone shows any of these symptoms. 5. Weight loss with no good reason. Weight loss is to be celebrated if you have been working out every day, eating healthily to try and lose weight, or following a specific diet. But if you are just sitting around, not doing much, eating what you normally eat, but your weight seems to be falling off, get it checked out. Unexplained weight loss could be a sign of stress, depression, infection, cancer, a digestive disorder, or a side effect of some medications. 6. Pain in your abdomen that persists or recurs. There are many different conditions, some serious, others not so serious, that cause stomach pain. Less serious causes include constipation, food allergies or intolerances, food poisoning, indigestion, irritable bowel syndrome, and stomach viruses. More serious causes include appendicitis, bowel obstruction, cancer, stomach ulcers, inflammatory bowel disorders. Bear in mind that how bad your pain is does not always reflect the seriousness of the condition causing the pain. 7. Tenderness, pain, or swelling in one or both legs. Almost all types of pain, swelling, or tenderness in the lower limbs needs to be investigated further by a doctor. However, causes vary greatly in urgency and severity. Generally, symptoms that come on suddenly occur just in one leg or that are accompanied by chest pain, difficulty breathing, or confusion warrant a visit to the doctor as they may be a sign of a blood clot or a heart condition. 8. Blood mixed with fecus in the urine or non-menstrual bleeding. Blood occurring in places where or when it should not is always a warning sign. Blood on or mixed into your stool can occur with hemorrhoids, anal fissures, stomach ulcers, inflammatory bowel disease, and colorectal cancer. Blood in the urine may turn toilet water red or pink. It may be a sign of a kidney, urinary tract, or prostate problem, or occasionally the result of bleeding disorder. 9. Changes to your breasts or nipples. Breast cancer is the second most common cancer in American women behind skin cancer. A lump, thickening, or tenderness in or near a breast or an armpit, breast or nipple skin changes, ridges, dimpling, pitting, swelling, redness or scaling nipple, discharge, unusual breast tenderness or pain. All women should be aware of the normal look and feel of their breasts and report any changes to their doctor. 10. Feeling like there is no point. Depression is very common, affecting 1 in 10 Americans. Left untreated, it can cause a downward spiral or worsening mood that can be hard to pull yourself out. Symptoms include feeling of hopelessness or helplessness, self-loathing, loss of motivation or interest for activities that you once loved doing, appetite or weight changes, sleep disturbance, feeling tired all the time, and reckless behavior. Don't wait, act now. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe the channel.